I will be now singing a beautiful shloka, Mahalakshmi Ashtakam. It is composed by Lord Indradev and very famous one. And generally, it is recited during Lakshmi Puja, during Diwali, and also during Navaratri. So, all of you listen and get benefited from this shloka. It contains 8 verses, Ashtakam, and there are around 4 verses, 3 verses as a falashruti for reciting this shloka. I begin now. Namaste stu mahamaye Shri surapujite Shankachakra gadahaste Mahalakshmi namostute. Namaste Garudarude Kolasura-bhayankari Sarva-papa-hare Devi Mahalakshmi namostute. Sarvajñe Sarva-varade Sarva-dushta-bhayankari Sarva-dukkha-hare Devi Mahalakshmi namostute. Siddhi Buddhi Prade Devi Bhukti Mukti Pradayini Mantra Murte Sada Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. Adyantarahite Devi Adishakti Maheshwari Yogajne Yoga Sambhute Mahalakshmi Namostute. Stula Sukshma Maharaudre Mahashakti Mahodare Mahapapa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. Padmasanastite Devi Parabrahmaswarupini Parameshi Jaganmata Mahalakshmi Namostute. Shvetambaradhare Devi Nanalankara-bhushite Jagatstite Jaganmata Mahalakshmi Namostute. Falashruti, benefits of reciting the prayer. Mahalakshmyashtakastotram yappated bhaktiman naraha sarvasiddhim avapnoti rajyam prapnoti sarvada. Ekakale patennityam mahapapa vinashanam Dvikalam ya patennityam dhanadhanya samanvitaha Trikalam ya patennityam mahashatru vinashanam Mahalakshmir bhavennityam prasanna varada shubha. Om Itindrakrutam Mahalakshmyashtakam Sampurnam. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.